Hi, this is Al Cadulo, and welcome to Tech Toys. Tech Toys today is going to take us to Los Angeles to the 3D Entertainment Summit to see what's going on. Hi, this is Al Cadulo, the 3D guy. I'm at the 3D Summit with Ilya Sorokin from 3D Fusion. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Now, Ilya has a company that manufactures 3D Fusion. These are autostereoscopic screens. Tell me what's going on. They look great. What are you doing with this right now?
Well, we're actually taking glasses off for 3D content. There is obviously a compelling argument for the excitement of 3D media, but there is an issue of glasses that most of people would like to get rid of. So our whole charter is to provide a mainstream solution for 3D media without glasses.
Now, is this designed more for the home? Is this designed for business, or is it designed for both?
Essentially, it's designed for both. Right now, we're addressing primarily business-to-business market because there's a huge demand in digital signage and in other venues. However, even here, you have a display that could show 3D content, either converted from 2D to 3D, or from stereo 3D, which is 3D with glasses, into auto stereo, which is 3D without glasses. As well as you have a gaming solution where we can play a real-time game in 3D without glasses on our screen.
So gamers are going to love this as well. And one of the things I noticed about your system that's different from some of the other ones that are out on the market is you're actually working with live video, not just animation and CGI.
And that's absolutely correct. And one of the major aspects of our drive to provide a solution without artifacts, without excuses, because everybody at this point believes that 3D without glasses, you have to put up with a sweet spot, you have to put up with a certain fuzziness and discomfort. Well, we have, as you just mentioned, provided a solution where we eliminated all of those artifacts that prevent 3D without glasses of getting into the mainstream market.
Yeah, one of the fights that everybody's having in the market, and you guys have seemed to work around this very nicely, is the fact that we hear a lot about single-person view, two-person view. Toshiba showed a 65-inch where they had put feet marks on the floor for 3 people.
Well, that's exactly what we're eliminating. We don't have a sweet spot. You can walk by our panels, watch it from every angle. You can have 50 people watching it, or 3 people watching it, or 1 person watching it. We don't have eye tracking or head tracking. There is it's a solution that you can replace your existing TV with and watch it in 3D.
There you go, 3D Fusion's taking the glasses out of 3D. Thanks, Ilya.
Well, thank you.
Hi, we just got done talking with Ilya Sorokin. Now we're here with Steve Blumenthal. Steve, how are you?
Excellent. Having a good day?
Steve is the founder and inventor of the technology and also the president of the company. That's not a bad position to have, is it, Steve?
It's a good place to be today.
Okay. Well, now tell me a little bit more about applications for 3D Fusion.
Basically, the technology that we've got, because it's math-based, is a revolution in terms of stereoscopic 3D. We take the old stereo and marry it to the computer.
Okay, explain a little bit more for people who may not understand what you mean when you say math-based.
Stereoscopic imaging is based on a left view and a right view. That is an optical image or a CGI created left view, right view. We take that information as a starting point using PC-driven algorithms. We convert the data into what's called depth metadata, and this information then is applied to the video signal as an intervention that is not like anything else that's been done in television electronics before. It gives us the ability to adjust the 3D depth on the fly in real time, same as you would volume or brightness.
So in other words, you're able to take normal stereoscopic 3D and enhance it even beyond what you could with a normal camera system.
Exactly. Part of our technology allows a wide variety of feeds, so we can take LiDAR, radar, X-ray, any medical imaging, any military feeds, convert them live on the fly to geospatially accurate images. This gives us the wherewithal to be able to provide a tool for all of these different market verticals that will revolutionize the vision imaging imaging industry.
So this is not just about business, this is not just about home, when I say business, I mean normal retail installations. This goes much, much further than that and goes into a lot of other different applications.
Exactly, Al. The key to our technology is that because it is math-based, the opportunity to be able to adjust the image live on the fly permits either a correction for accuracy, as in eye-hand coordination and robotics, or an enhancement, for example, where we're able to create additional image popping forward out of the screen, additional depth back, and literally able to correct errors and defects in the original capture so that the final product is comfortable, to the extent that with our system, a viewer has a remote control capacity to adjust the image to his personal taste and comfort level.
And that's something that's very important in 3D because everybody does see 3D somewhat different from each other, and that's something that's become a hurdle that needs to be crossed. Now, another application that I can see for this is that by using more than 2 cameras, say 3, 4, and 5, or 6, 7, 8, 9 cameras, you could choose various cameras, and using the math of it all, you could put them together to make unique stereoscopic vision. Exactly,
and we've taken that a step further to the extent that we have married a very basic consumer product, the Microsoft Kinect camera, that produces an infrared range-finding capture of data for the Wii type of games or the Xbox, where it's following the paddle motion where the ball is going. We've taken that data from this toy and converted it into a depth map that gives us a live, on-the-fly image on the screen that's geospatially accurate. In the entertainment industry, it has huge applications because we can shoot a scene that then can be converted to the depth map. The videographer can come in with film or 2D capture, marry our depth map to it after the process, and have the whole acting environment be done on a blue screen that then is converted to 3D after in post. We also can use the same camera technology for a variety of live capture opportunities, allowing broadcasters to return to a single lens technology, giving them auto zoom, auto focus, and being able to seamlessly marry that to a depth image that produces gorgeous 3D.
Well, there you go. 3D Fusion is taking the glasses off of 3D.
Thank you very much.